Hello, this is Amanda Tarot, and I will show you how to access Boom cards from Music Game Club on Boom Learning. So Boom Learning is a separate platform, and here's one of the easiest ways to do it. So whenever you download one of our Boom card files, you will see a page like this. It says click here to access your Boom cards. So when you click it, it will automatically take you to the Boom Learning website. Now, if you do not have an account yet, these buttons down here will ask if you want to create an account. Very easy to create an account. You can create an account for free and have, I think, up to 5 students on it for free. I'm already signed in, so I'm just verifying that it's me. And then it adds it to my Boom card library. I already have a lot of other Boom cards here. And so it's right here in the very beginning, and you can organize them if you want to in the folders. Once you have all your Boom cards, the next important thing to do is to go to classes. So this is library. This is under library. This is where you see what you have. You can go to the store. You can search different sellers. You can search Music Game Club, find everything we have on Boom Learning. But how you can use these directly with your students is go to classes in this upper left-hand corner. And here you see that I have to upgrade to add more classrooms. So I only have the one classroom that I can have, but you can name it anything you want to. And then you can have your students. So I'm just going to click a new student. I'm going to call it a test student. And you can set a password. I usually do an easy to remember password for all my students, like maybe something unique to the studio. It would not be this, but I would do like Amanda Tarot Studio or something like that as the password. So you click OK, and see here it came up with the test student. When you click down here, you can click assign, and then you can assign them any of the Boom cards that you have in your library. So I'm going to uncheck all of these, and I am going to do just this one. Let's say it's one student. I just want them to focus on this one thing this week. So then I do that. And then when it comes to the student side of things, so the students are going to sign in, and they're going to say, I'm a student, and they're going to sign in with Boom, and they need their username. So their username is this right here, which is a really long, crazy. I am going to minimize this window so I can see what it is. And you click next, and then they would put in their password that you would given them. And then they click sign in, and when they sign in, they will see that they're in this classroom, and then they will see all their decks. So if they have more than one deck, they will see it here. So then they just click on the Boom card, and it automatically assigns them however many cards are assigned in the deck. Our cards are from 10 to 15 to 20 cards, depending on the level. So there's usually an explanation card first, and then they can just click next. And then they can play from here, and they identify the interval, click the correct answer, and if they have a wrong answer, it just gets a very little simple whoops, and it's not like, oh no, I got it wrong. And then they can get another chance at getting it right, and they keep going. So it's very, very easy to assign Boom cards. It's very easy for students to play Boom cards. Also, you can screen share if you're doing virtual lessons. Very easily screen share your Boom cards and talk with the student as you go through them and answer them. And yeah, it's just really easy. And by the way, there's a small audio button here. If the student doesn't read and needs a little help, they can do it even if they don't know how to read. It's very easy for them to do it. And then we're in the end. So you can go back to your home, and you can give more Boom cards to them, and it's very, very, very easy to do. So that's the basic way to set up Boom cards. Like I said, the main things you need to know are your library is where you access all the Boom cards you currently own, and then your classes is where you assign it to students. And I hope you and your students have fun as you do Boom cards with Music Game Club. If you have any requests, let us know. We're creating Boom cards based off of our games, and we are very open to suggestions to what will help you and your students.